Welcome to qnawire.
Hi, so over here we're given the wave function for the end state for n equal 4 of a particle in a box with width L. So over here what we can identify first of all are going to be the regions that we are asked for finding the probability. So this would be L over 4, L over 2. At point B, this would correspond to L over 8. And for simplicity, we're going to take the value for L equal to 1 for our calculations. So we want to know what is the probability of part of the particle being located between points C and E. And this is going to be equal to, in general for any probability, to the integration from point A to point B of our wave function multiplied by the complex conjugate. In this case, the wave function is going to be real, so we can take directly the integral from a to b of phi squared of x dx. So for points C and E, the distances that we want to take are from L over 4 to L over 2 in this case. So the probability on the first case in between C and E is going to be equal to the integration taking L equal to 1, just for simplicity as I mentioned, of 1 over 4 to 1 over 2 of my wave function squared, which is going to be equal to 2 times sine squared of 4 pi x directly, differential of x. After solving this integral, we're going to find that the result that you get is going to be equal to 0.25. And this is going to be the probability to finding the particle in between these 2 points. Similarly, for finding the particle to the right of B, remembering that B is at L over 8, that means that the limits of integration should be from L over 8 all the way to L to encompass all of the region towards the right. So doing so becomes the probability on the right of B would be equal to the integration from 1 over 8 to 1 of the same function, 2 times sine squared of 4 pi x, differential of x, which I will leave to you to do the actual integral, right? Which in this case is going to give us 7 over 8. And just for you to do the exercise, just to verify that your result is correct, really, you can do the integration of 2 sine squared of 4 pi x, and the indefinite integral should give you x minus sine of 8 pi x over 8 times pi, plus a constant, of course. But since you're going to do the definite integral, you don't need the constant. Okay? So with that, it would be all. Thank you very much, and have a good one. And just let's put over here the values of 7/8, which is the same as 0.875. You can also express this as percentage. This is going to be the 25%, and the second case would be 87.5% if you want. And with that, it would be all. Thank you and have a good one.